Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize one UI. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my phone and I'm going to show you my One UI version. Here I have 6.0 One UI version and I'm going to show you how I customize my One UI. First thing first, I'm going to customize my home screen. I'm going to add some widgets to this home screen. I like to get the weather widget, so I'm going to add the weather widget. We can tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen, and then we can select widget right here. And since I want to get the weather information, I'm going to add the weather widget, this one. I'm going to go with this weather and clock. We can click on the widget, then we can click on add. Okay, and now the weather widget has been added to my home screen. I'm going to drag it right here, guys. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to add Google search bar to my home screen so I can get quick access to Google. We can tap and hold again. Oops, okay, select widget and I'm going to select Google. Okay, and this is the Google search bar. I'm going to add it to my home screen. We can drag it right here. Okay, and I'm going to change my wallpaper, guys. We can go to our setting and here we can select themes. Click on this theme setting and here we will be able to access a lot of wallpapers. We can go to the wallpaper section, then you can download the wallpaper as you like. If you want to get the free wallpaper, you can click on the search button and you can search by keyword or by color palette, or you can also search by categories. And I'm just going to search for this keyword. Okay, and I'm going to folder it. We can select top free to get the free wallpaper. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. We can click on the wallpaper we want to apply to our phone. We have to download it first. And after the wallpaper has been downloaded, we can apply this wallpaper to our home screen or lock screen. We just need to click on apply. Then I'm going to apply to my home screen and my lock screen as well. And we can click on next. Then this is the preview, and here you just need to click on done. Okay, and now the wallpaper has been applied to my home screen and my lock screen as well. And after that, I'm going to change my apps icon because I think this is too boring. So I'm going to change it as well. We can go to settings again, then we can select theme, then you can choose the icons. And here I'm just going to filter it as well. We can select top three. And here I'm going to go with this icon. Okay, we just need to download. Then we have to wait until this icon has been downloaded. Once the icon has been downloaded, we can click on apply. Then the app's icon will be applied to our phone. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to customize my lock screen. We're going to go to the settings again, and we have to go to the lock screen setting. Okay, this is the lock screen setting, and we can customize our lock screen by tapping on this edit. Okay, then we can customize the clock style right here. You can choose the clock style as you like, and I prefer this one. We can also change the color. I think it looks good. Then we can click on done. Alright, and this is the final result, guys. I'm going to show you my home screen. This is my home screen and my lock screen. Okay. And that's how I customize One UI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.